Hi, welcome to Physics Teacher. This is a grade 11 physics activity I like to do when we first start to learn about forces. And we learned that you measure forces in newtons, but how much is a newton? We're going to go over this activity in this video, and if you want a copy of the handout I use, you can get it in the description. All right, so the first part is we're just going to use random things. So we're going to use this spring scale. A spring scale just uses a spring to measure how many newtons of force is being pulled on it. So let's try a couple of items, see how much they weigh. First, stapler. You can check out the spring scale, see how much it weighs. All right. Now the next one, I want you to guess. The hole punch. How many newtons do you think it's going to be? Take a quick guess. Let's find out. There it is. Were you right? How close were you? Let's try the next one. Piece of wood. Take a guess. Here we go. How close were you? Was it close? All right, let's try a little older laptop here. Hopefully, I don't break it. There we go. Did you guess? Were you right? Fairly close? Let's try one more. This binder, which is a solution manual to the grade 12 physics textbook. With all that paper, how many newtons is that going to weigh? Take a quick guess. Let's check. Here we go. You right? All right, next thing what we're going to do is we're going to take known masses and we're going to figure out how many newtons they weigh. And then what I want you to do is to create a graph of force on the y-axis and mass on the x-axis. The graph is on the handout. You can just plot the values, then draw a line of best fit and figure out what the slope is. It should be a number you recognize. Let's start with something small, 100 grams. There's 100 grams. All right, something a little bigger. This is 200 grams. 200. Next, 250 grams. Moving up, 500 grams, or half a kilogram. Next we have 1,000 grams, or 1 kilogram. Best to put all your units in kilograms when you plot it on your graph, because that is the SI unit for mass. Now let's add 500 grams. So that's 1.5 kilogram. Let's just go one more. Let's put both kilogram masses on there for a total of 2 kilograms. All right. Plot your graph. Let me know what that slope is in the comments. And tell me if you know what that number actually represents.